to fix minor scratches in your paint, get some rubbing compound, some coarse stuff or medium grit, and then get a nice smooth rag and a little bit on the rag. Take the rubbing compound and the cloth and rub it with firm pressure. And as you're going, make sure you don't rub it too hard or too long because it'll burn through your paint depending on how thick your clear coat is. Just go over it for a little bit and feel it. So now all the scratches in that area are all gone. Now all the paint very smooth again. And it'll be a little bit of a haze. So if you want, you can always get some a glaze or kind of a polish type thing with some, use a step afterwards. And go and rub that on there. And it gets the haze out and all the paint smooth like new again.